Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to stress-free car rentals. Whether you're planning a road trip or need a reliable ride at your destination, we've got all the insider tips to make your car rental experience a breeze. Let's rev up the engines of knowledge and hit the road to stress-free travels. You're about to embark on an exciting journey, but the thought of renting a car sends shivers down your spine. Don't fret. Our comprehensive guide is here to turn your car rental woes into wheels of delight. From booking to drop-off, we've got your back. Segment 1. Booking your ride. Alright, let's start at the beginning, booking your ride. When booking a rental car, timing is key. Booking in advance often unlocks incredible deals and ensures the availability of your preferred vehicle. And here's a pro tip. Compare prices across different rental agencies to snag the best offer. You'll thank us later. Segment 2. Picking up your wheels. Now that your adventure is on the horizon, let's talk about picking up your wheels. Before you hit the road, make sure you have your driver's license, credit card, and any required documents. Opt for a quick vehicle inspection to note any pre-existing damages. It's all about starting your journey with confidence. Segment 3. Navigating insurance. Insurance, a small word with a big impact. Understanding your insurance options is crucial. Most car rental agencies offer collision and liability coverage, but your personal car insurance or credit card might already have you covered. Do your homework, and you'll cruise stress-free knowing you're protected. Segment 4. The open road awaits. Fasten your seatbelts, because it's time to hit the open road. GPS navigation is your trusty co-pilot, guiding you to your destinations. But remember, familiarize yourself with the vehicle's controls before zooming off. And if you're traveling abroad, brush up on local driving laws, it'll keep you cruising smoothly. Segment 5. Returning with ease. All adventures must come to an end, but wrapping up your car rental is a piece of cake. Plan your return ahead of time. Ensure the car is clean and fueled up to avoid extra charges. Take photos to document the vehicle's condition, just in case. With these simple steps, you'll bid adieu to your trusty rental car without a hitch. There you have it, the ultimate guide to stress-free car rentals. Say goodbye to rental anxiety and hello to memorable journeys. Remember, the road is yours to explore, and with our tips, your car rental experience will be a breeze. Until next time, safe travels. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and explore more of our travel tips and hacks. Happy travels!